Hey guys, so this is always a really big question, and that's how to find the center of something, especially if you don't have a camera. So I know I'm using a camera to do this, forgive me, but I wanted to show you how to do that, showing you kind of how my laser is set up and then how to do it in Lightburn software. It's super easy to do. So I've got this 4x4 square on here. So the first thing I want to do is kind of draw that out, right? I'm going to draw this, go up here, make sure it's 4x4. And what I have already done is gone and found the center of this. So I've put this on my laser, right? So it is right here on my laser. And now I want to find the absolute center. So in order to do that, I'm going to grab my, go over here to my Move tab. If you don't have that available, go to Window and go to Move. Make sure that is checked. As soon as you've got that Move tab, then you can start moving your laser head. Now, obviously, you guys can see that it's moving, but you can see how bad my camera is, right? I'm never going to trust this. So I'm going to go over to my laser and physically look and make sure that this is set right at the center, right where I want it to start engraving something. Once I've got it there, once I've got my laser head there, I can go ahead and let's say I want to engrave my name on this coaster. I'm going to go here. I'm going to make sure that it is set to fill. We're going to turn this one into a line so it's a little bit easier for you guys to see. I'm going to grab this guy here. I'm going to go to Arrange, and then I'm going to come down here to my Move Selected Objects. And I want to move that selected object to my laser position. Once I do that, it should move it to this position here. And if you notice, what it's doing is it's actually moving it to this upper corner. That's not quite what I want, right? I kind of want it in the center. So in order to do that, let's go back here to our little domino up at the top of our screen. If you've got a full screen, you can already see this. The reason it is going here is because we have this checked, right? We have this one is the one that is selected. We want to select the center. These right here represent these dots here. So we want to select this center. Let's go back to Arrange, Move Select Objects to Laser Position. And there we have it, folks. It has centered right here. Now, if I go ahead and frame it out on my laser, it is going to be in the position it needs to be in order to engrave in the center of this coaster. You can do this with any size project. So I just used a 4x4 because I had it here. But even if you had something a little bit bigger than your laser bed itself, as long as you find the center physically, find that center with your moving your laser head itself, you can go to Arrange and move whatever you need to move to the center position by moving that object, select object, to the laser position. Hope that helps someone today.